Hey friends, I've got to tell you about this amazing dishwasher welder that's been a game changer in the factory processing industry. This isn't just any ordinary welder. It's a product of top-notch factory processing technology. First of all, the precision of this dishwasher welder is out of this world. It can weld various parts of the dishwasher with an accuracy that ensures a perfect fit every time. No more worries about loose connections or uneven welds. This means your dishwashers will have a longer lifespan and better performance. Secondly, it's incredibly efficient. In a factory setting, time is money, right? Well, this welder can significantly speed up the production process. It can handle multiple welding tasks in a short period, increasing your overall output without sacrificing quality. What's more, it's user-friendly. Even if your workers aren't highly trained welders, they can quickly get the hang of operating this machine. Its intuitive controls and clear instructions make the learning curve very short. And let me tell you about its durability. Built with high-quality materials, it can withstand the rigors of continuous factory use. You won't have to worry about frequent breakdowns or costly repairs. If you're in the dishwasher manufacturing business, you really can't afford to miss out on this fantastic dishwasher welder. Click the shopping link below to check out the amazing promotional offers waiting for you.